Hey guys, it's Laura and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be what I would have worn to Coachella, except the challenge is I have to use things I already have in my wardrobe. We've had both weekends gone now. I've gotten to see all the inspo, what was in, and I'm really excited for this. I remember really wanting to make this video last year before I had a channel and I thought it was really original and then I saw the other day that Susie Lola made a video of it this year and she'd also done it before in 2023. So definitely not the first to do this, but I am really excited. Before we get started with what I would wear, I want to look at like what the overall vibe was and then show you some of my favorite inspo pics from this year. Boho grunge in 2010s was like the main theme I kind of saw, and people were really bringing back like the 2010 to 2016 probably era of Coachella, flower crowns and different textures and all that. So we're gonna get into exactly what it was. So as for textures, there was a lot of lace, crochet, fringe, and fur, especially fur boots. All those things are very boho to me. Those like kind of flowy, loose fabrics were really common this year and I saw a lot of amazing outfits with that, especially like fringe bags. Fringe boots I think are amazing. And then I saw a lot of long tops being worn as flowy dresses with like just a big chunky belt and long necklaces with that. And what I was thinking of was like in the 2010s, they used to have these really long necklaces. They go down to like here and then they'd just be a big owl and they were really chunky and I kind of loved that with like a chunky bangle. Ponchos, like cape poncho vibes, which I don't have one, but I'm going to show you a fabric of what I think I'm going to make one. Fur boots, like I said, there was definitely a couple of people wearing this. Alex Earls were probably my favorite, and as for fur, like Tara Yummy was wearing fur thing, which I really like. Headscarves, massive. Everyone was wearing a headscarf. Obviously they're actually useful for Coachella because people wear dust covers I think when they're walking around the desert. Micro shorts. Everyone was wearing micro shorts and with multiple belts. I thought it was great. And then people were also adding a lot of like clip-in hair extensions that were colorful or hair feathers. And then I saw a lot of off-the-shoulder dresses with type, kind of like the skirt bit is low-rise and bodycon, but then the top is like really slouchy. I feel like that's a really comfy day 3 outfit, and if I was gonna wear that, I would wear this knee-high dress that's fringe as well. And Tara Yummy wore something similar too. I do love her Coachella outfits. And I saw a lot of high-neck dresses that were really flowy, loose, and had kind of an almost crimped pleating to them, or just a lot of draping, which is again very much on trend for boho. Oh, studs and rhinestones. The Miss Me jeans, which I have a pair of, and I saw Kenzie Luby, she went with Miss Me, but she had some amazing outfits with them. But then also just love a studded bikini. Sophia Guzman wore a really cool one. And with that, I would say leather shorts. I know I said micro shorts, but specifically leather ones, which I really want to get a pair for the Brat concert. And then like a chainmail metallic fine knit, a kind of weird knit, but this is what I mean. I would love a top out of this, and I saw a lot of this kind of vibe. So that's everything. So I'm gonna start pulling items of clothing that I think would be Coachella suitable. We're gonna go from there. I have this gold thing which I got for like €1 in a charity shop. For headscarves, I was thinking this. Like I have this silk scarf, also thrifted for €2 in Germany a couple of years ago. And then this, which I got off Vinted recently, but I think it's really fun. It's just like a fur bolero. And to go with that, I definitely want to do like a black fur themed outfit. So obviously my fur boot, quintessential cowboy boot moment. Obviously the black biker boot. I thrifted this. I got this lace curtain from my grandma, and I think I'm gonna make like a poncho kind of cape moment out of it. So this, for bottoms we have a lot. We have this black lace cover up that I made. I have my bubble skirt. I have this one pair of micro shorts, they're inside out, blue shorts, and then I might just have to like tell you my vision for my white skirt because I can't find it. First outfit that I definitely wanted to make, fur bolero, this lace top, and then I'm thinking this lace skirt with the micro shorts under. I can't find my big cross necklace that I wanted to wear because this looks like pretty empty now, but here is the first outfit. Outfit details, this lace top is from River Island. Made the lace skirt, have my fur boots, and this fur bolero, which is from Vinted. And then I just added, so I would have added a big cross necklace, and I added 2 belts on. So we've got the lace, we've got the fur, we've got the layered belts. So what I liked about that outfit is that you can obviously take off the fur layer when you inevitably get too hot in the desert, as I'm sure you do. Next outfit, we're gonna go boho. I'm gonna base it around this top. And if I had a poncho, I'd probably wear it. And then I don't have my white skirt that I wanted to wear. So I'm gonna try it with like other bottoms I have and see what I think. So I'll be back. Okay. I'm honestly obsessed with this outfit. It took me a minute to style, but I got it. So I've got gold headscarf, long necklace, gold bangles. I actually love it. So I've got cowboy boots. I've just got like a black tube top, and then micro shorts. I've got some micro shorts and some layered belts, but obviously you can't really see because the main event is this tank top that actually works as like a really short dress. I love this. I really love this. I love the length of the tank top actually. I think it's great. But yeah, crochet and lace obviously. Love. Obsessed. Very happy with this one. Look at the mess slowly gathering behind me from making outfits, but I honestly didn't think I would like this one. But this, I think I like it better than the last one. Duh. Like, do I kind of wish you could see the belt? Yes, but you'll see the belt in my next one. So good. So good. I should have tanned for this video. However, we're not really going to Coachella, so I wasn't really bothered. Hope that's okay. Like I said, can't find the top for my last outfit that I planned, but I'm gonna insert footage of me wearing it. I wore it the other day and I was like, I would wear this Coachella. So the outfit I have, like, I'm wearing again a long tank top as a dress, except I clipped it up so it would like show my big chunky belt. This necklace, again, I need more long necklaces. We'll put that on the thrift list. White skirt. I'm loving black top white skirt at the moment, which I've been wearing a lot as well. Oh, and my black chunky boots. My biker ones. That's everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was really fun to make, and I've been wanting to make an outfit where I style and try on outfits for the longest time, but I put it off because I was kind of nervous. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I literally can't believe how much I'm sweating from trying on those outfits, but I will see you in the next video. Bye.